మై పేపర్ ఎవరు ఇచ్చారు నాకు? ఎవరి పేపర్ ఇది? మీదేనా? రైట్. 31 to 35. ABC స్పోర్ట్స్ కాంప్లెక్స్ ఆఫర్స్ క్లాసెస్ ఫర్, అక్కడికే వస్తున్నా, ఇండెక్స్కే చదవాలి కదా, ఫస్ట్ లైన్లో ఏముందో చూడాలిగా. స్విమ్మింగ్, లాన్ టెన్నిస్, బ్యాడ్మింటన్ 3 games, 800 members, రెస్పెక్టివ్ రేషియో. చిల్డ్రన్ అండ్ అడల్ట్ అన్నారు అంటే చిల్డ్రన్లో మళ్ళీ గర్ల్స్ బాయ్స్ ఉంటారు, అడల్ట్లో మేలు ఫీమేల్ ఉంటారు, రైట్? సో టోటల్ మీకు చిల్డ్రన్ తీసుకుంటే బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్ ఇస్తారు, అడల్ట్ తీసుకుంటే మేల్ ఫీమేల్ వస్తారు. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ గేమ్స్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవాలి. అవి ఏం గేమ్స్? స్విమ్మింగ్, లాన్ టెన్నిస్, బ్యాడ్మింటన్, అండ్ దెన్ అగైన్ యుల్ గెట్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఆల్సో. స్విమ్మింగ్, లాన్ టెన్నిస్, స్విమ్మింగ్, బ్యాడ్మింటన్, లాన్ టెన్నిస్, బ్యాడ్మింటన్, అండ్ దెన్ ఆల్. సో టేబుల్ పెద్దది వస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ డైరెక్ట్ numbers here, you can pick. But if you are given ratio, percentage and fractional part, it takes time to fill this table. Yes or no? It takes some time. If numbers were given in fractional part or percentage or ratio, just look at the table. 25%, 40%, ratio, 2/5, enough. This is going to take time to fill the table first. Hold it. Next, 36 to 40 quadratic. Look at the face values. At the max you have 2-digit number, right? 15, 32, 16, 9, 9, 2. Everywhere at the max you have only 2 numbers. Should be easy one. 3-digit number lo unte it might take some time, but when you have at the max 2 digits, need not worry about it. Comfortably you can do it. 41 to 45. You have table substaff, office assistant, offices manager, 4 parts, 4 different categories, and for 5 factories, and every number has again male to female ratio. So total you are going to have 20 numbers, 5 into 4 subcategories. You are going to have 20 numbers and every number has ratio. 20 ratios calculate cheyali. Again this is also take some time. Hold it. Next, number series నాకు సంబంధం లేదు. 51 to 55. 51 to 55. Okay. Aptitude, no issue. Now look at this. 56 to 60. Percentage of profit earned by 3 companies XYZ over the years. So there you are given percentages of profit earned by 3 companies. Profit అయితే డైరెక్ట్గా అసలు ఇమీడియట్గా ఆలోచించకుండా చేసేయచ్చు. పర్సంటేజెస్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి ఒక్కసారి ఆలోచించుకుందాం. మొత్తం స్టోరీ మొత్తం 3 వేసుకుంటే ఇక్కడేమో టేబుల్ ఫిల్ చేయడానికి టైం పట్టుద్ది, ఆ తర్వాత ఆన్సర్లు వస్తాయి. సెకండ్ దానిలో రేషియో క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. రేషియో స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటే సెకండ్ టేబుల్ చేసేయచ్చు. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ గుడ్ ఎట్ పర్సంటేజ్ యూ కెన్ పిక్ దిస్. నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ పర్సంటేజ్ బట్ ఆల్సో విత్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్. ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ పర్సంటేజ్ స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటే ఇది పట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకు కొద్దిగా రిస్క్ అని అనుకుంటే ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ గుడ్ ఎట్ రేషియో గో అండ్ టేక్ టేబుల్, రైట్? అయినా పర్వాలేదు, కొంచెం టైం పట్టినా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కావాలి. టేబుల్ ఫిల్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈజీగా ఆన్సర్ రావాలి అని అనుకుంటే గో ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్. ఇఫ్ ఐ వాస్ టు పిక్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ టేబుల్ విత్ రేషియో పార్ట్ యాజ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. సెకండ్ చాయిస్ దిస్ వన్, థర్డ్ చాయిస్ దిస్ వన్. అర్థమైందా? నెక్స్ట్, ఐ హావ్ గివెన్ యూ ఎనఫ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ వై లైక్ దట్. అండ్ దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ వన్ మోర్, 60 to 63. పర్సంటేజ్ రేషియో 2 ఉన్నాయి. అవన్నీ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడికి లాస్ట్ మార్క్స్ అప్టైన్డ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 100. ఇంగ్లీష్ సరోజ్ అండ్ దెన్ విరాజ్. ఫస్ట్ ఇది చేస్తా, ఇది బుడ్డది. ఓకే రైట్, ఐ విల్ పిక్ దిస్ వన్. అండ్ మై లాస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ ద ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ టు దిస్. లాస్ట్ సెట్ అది తీసుకుంటాం. Come on, let me fill this gap. Fill this one. APC Sports Complex offers classes for swimming, lawn tennis, and then badminton for its members. It has 800 members. Respective ratio between children and adults 5:3. So you have 500 children and then 300 adults. Yes or no? Right. And then out of the total children, 40% are girls. Out of 500 children, 40% are girls. Girls 40%. 40% of this, 200 girls and 300 boys. And remaining 300 are adult, female and then male. Right. Remaining are boys. Okay. Chapakkarla. Out of total number of girls, 1/4 join only badminton. Only badminton. 1/4 of this, 50. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఏది 3/8 join swimming and lawn tennis. Badminton, swimming, lawn tennis, and then swimming and lawn tennis. This is 3/8. What is 1/8? 1/8 25. 3/8 75. And 25% join in both badminton and then lawn tennis. Badminton and lawn tennis. 25% of this, 50. And lawn tennis, okay. And the remaining join all the three. One more combination is left, that is swimming and badminton, and then swimming, badminton, lawn tennis. Remaining all. Remaining in the sense, so far we have 50, 50, 100, 175, 175. Remaining is 25 comes here. Next, out of boys, out of total boys, 1/6 join only swimming. Only swimming. 1/5 of this, 60. 1/6. 1/6 it is, then 50. 1/6. 5/12 join both badminton and lawn tennis. Badminton and lawn tennis. How much is that? 5/12. What about 1/12 of this number? 25. 25. They said 5/12. 5 into 25. 125. This is 125. Badminton and lawn tennis. 1/4 join badminton and swimming. Badminton and swimming. 1/4. 1/4 of this, 75. Remaining join all the three. We have 200, 250, and the remaining is 50. Next, out of total adult, 60% are women. 60% are female. 60% of this, 180. Remaining are 120 male. Out of the total women, 2/9 join only swimming. Only swimming. 2/9. 1/9 is 20. 2/9 is 40. 1/3 join only badminton and lawn tennis. Badminton and lawn tennis. 1/3. 1/3 is 60. 1/6 join both swimming and lawn tennis. Swimming and lawn tennis. 1/6 will be half of 1/3 only, right? 1/3 half hai kada. So that will be half of 60, which is 30. Remaining join all the three classes. So far we have 130. Remaining is 50. Next, out of total men, half of them join only lawn tennis. Only lawn tennis, half, which is 60. Next, 1/4 join only swimming. Only swimming, 1/3. 1/3 in 1/4. 1/4 only swimming, 30. 1/6 join both badminton and swimming. Badminton and swimming. 1/6, right? Which is 20. And then remaining join all the three. Remaining is 10. For your comfort, give spaces like this. ఒక లైన్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉంటుంది, మిస్ అవ్వకుండా ఉంటుంది. 31. What percent of total number of children have joined lawn tennis classes? What number of children joined in lawn tennis? Children in the sense can be both boys and girls. They said lawn tennis, right? Lawn tennis. This one, and then last one. You need to consider these four. Lawn tennis, no one. Here we have 75, 125, 200, 250, 300, 325. So 325 forms what percent of 500? Percentage, right? So into 100. Anta avasarala. Wait. For 500 it is 325. Per 1000, 650. Per 100, 65. 500 ki 325, 1000 ki 650, 1000 ki 650 అయితే 100 ki 65. Next. What is the difference between total number of students, total number of female who join more than one classes and the total number of male who join more than one class? It asks about difference. Difference between what? Female who join more than one and male who join more than one, right? More than one in the sense except first three remaining all. Except first three remaining all. You are asked about difference. Male తక్కువ ఉన్నారు కదా, ఎంత? 30. 30 cancel. Remaining number 60, 50, 110. That's your difference, right? More than correct. That is right. Difference between total number of female. ఇక్కడ ఏమని చెప్పారు టెర్మినాలజీలో? ఉమెన్ అన్నారా? ఇక్కడ మెన్ అన్నారా? ఫీమేల్ అంటే మొత్తం తీసుకోవాలి, వీళ్ళని కూడా తీసుకోవాలి. నీడ్ టు కన్సిడర్ బోత్ గర్ల్స్ అండ్ ఉమెన్ టుగెదర్. మోర్ దెన్ వన్, లాస్ట్ త్రీ 75, 100, 150 and women 90, 140. This is one set and the other set. Boys and men, last four 200, 250 and 30. This is another set. Total it is 290, 280. 290, 280 difference 10. Out of total members of ABC Sports Complex, what percent members have joined only swimming? Only swimming. Swimming only. We have 50, 40, 30. Total 120. 120 out of 800 is what percent? 10% of denominator 80. Half of 80, 40. 80, 40, 120. 10% plus half, 15% answer. Next, total how many members join swimming as well as badminton? Swimming and badminton. Swimming and badminton. Here you have swimming and badminton. Last one also swimming and badminton is there, right? So last two you need to consider. Total how many members? No gender specification, no age group difference also. So you need to add last two values. 25, 100, 150, 200, 220, 230. Total 230. ఇక్కడ స్విమ్మింగ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ బ్యాడ్మింటన్ క్లాసెస్ ఓన్లీ అన్నారనుకోండి, అప్పుడు లాస్ట్ బట్ వన్ ఒక్కటే తీసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ 35. What is the respective ratio between number of adults who do not join badminton and the number of children who do not join badminton? Who do not join badminton, and it is about adult and then children. You need to consider these two as one particular set and these two as one particular set. Those who do not join badminton, this one, wherever badminton is not there, you need to pick those. Middle three values does not have badminton. Yes or no? Right. Badminton. This is one particular set. Children 50, 75. 125 is one set. And then these values 40, 60, 100, 130, 30, 160. And earlier you have 125. And you asked about difference, right? Or ratio? Ratio. Everki? Adult who are 160 and children 125. Cancellation with 5. 5, 30, 2 times 5, 20, 5 times. Quadratic. Max 2-digit numbers, no issue. Though it is ratio, but that will be very easy to convert. Let's see this. Total how many parts you have? 13, 20 times. How many parts you have? 760 times. 12, 20 times. 8, 45 times, I think. 8, 45 times. 23, 20 times. Very easy to convert. Okay? Now, 41. What is the respective ratio between female substaff from employee, from company D and E together, and male substaff employees from the same companies D and E together? Last two. It is about substaff. This one. What is your question? Respective ratio between female and male, right? Female and male, right? Female, second one. Total how many parts you have? 8, 45 times 360, right? Yes or no? So one part is 45. 3 parts is, right, like this. 23, 20 times. 11, 20 times. Total female and total male. In place of 3 and 11, you need to write 5 and 12. Into 45 into 20 is same. In place of 3 and 11, you need to write 5 and 12. Now let's verify the ratio. I think you can take 2 common and then go for cancellation, right? Sorry, not 2, 5. You can take 5 common. 5, 9 times, 5, 4 times. 5 cancel, 5, 4 times. 3 nines, 27 plus 44. 27 plus 44, 71. How many options are there? 2. Right. 45 plus 48, 93. Fourth option. Next 42nd. What percent of total number of officers in company B, D, E together are male? What percent of B, D, E officers lo? This is about officers B, D, E. That too you need to go for only male. You're asked about percentage. 70, 70, 70, 210, 6, 5, 11, plus 8, 19, 210 plus 19, 229. With respect to 229, you need to calculate percentage, right? Now, that too only male. Now, total how many parts we have? 19 4 times, right? Then 8 fourths, 32. Write it here. Total how many parts? 15. 5 times. 8 5s, 40. Right here. Total 26. 3 times. 11 3s, 33. Total 105. 105. 105 forms what percent out of 229? This is what your question. 50% of denominator is 114.5. You have less than that. Answer is less than 40%. Less than 50%. Look at your options. Options are more than 40 and less than 50. Right? Let's see. 50% is 114.5. 5% will be 11.45. Yes or no? Let me subtract it. 5%. Let me calculate 45% here. 103.05. But you have 105 here. 103.05 is 45%. You have just above of this number. Answer is more than 45 but less than 50. How many are there? 46. Next 43. What is the difference between total number of female employees in factory C and the number of female employees in factory A? Number of female employees. Female employees ante mottham cheyaliga. What is the difference between total number of female employees in factory C and factory A? నేనైతే ఆపేస్తా ఇది చేయటం, ఎందుకంటే 4 కన్వర్షన్ చేస్తే ఒక నెంబర్ వస్తుంది సికి, ఆ తర్వాత మళ్ళీ 4 కన్వర్షన్స్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ ఏకి వస్తుంది. అంటే 8 కన్వర్షన్స్ చేయాలి, మళ్ళీ డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. దీని బదులు పక్కకి వెళ్ళి 2 చేసుకోవచ్చు. లాస్ట్లో ఇంకా టైం ఉంటే మళ్ళీ వచ్చి చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఈజీ ఆర్ నాట్? యు నో హౌ టు డూ ఇట్, బట్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ సింపుల్ ఆర్ టైం టేకింగ్? దట్స్ వై మార్కెట్ ఫర్ రివ్యూ. మార్క్ ఫర్ రివ్యూ చేసి లాస్ట్లో టైం ఉంటే మళ్ళీ అక్కడికి వస్తాం. ఓకే, నా ఇప్పుడు ఆ మాట చెప్పకూడదుగా, డిఫరెన్సే అడిగింది. రైట్, ఓన్లీ ఫీమేల్, రైట్? హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్? 13 20 times 6 20s 120. 9 12 times 5 12s 60. 8 10 times 3 10s 30. 30 కదా ఇది. నెక్స్ట్ 8 4 times 3 4s 12. This is about only A. Now let's do it for B, C also. 12 20 times 5 20s 100. Next 13 10 times 6 10s C. Okay. 16 10 times 9 10s 90. 13 7 times 7 7s 49. 4 9 times 9 3s 27. రైట్? అడిగింది ఏంటి? 100, 180, 210, 220, 222. Okay? 190 gone. 190 gone. Still you need to subtract 32. Subtract 32 from this. How much you have? 17. 17, 37? 44. Difference 44. What is the average number of office assistants in all the companies together? Average assistants. This one, right? You asked about average. Options. Take benchmark. How much? 150 or 160? 160. Sorry. 160. Need not to consider this. Hold it. This is 100 more. This is 30 less. This is 52 less. This is 28 less. 28. Yes or no? Yes. Minus 52. Minus 82. Minus 110. Plus 100. Minus 10. And now you need to adjust minus 10 among 5 numbers. Each gets minus 2. So 160 minus 2, 158. Next. 45. The total number of male managers in company ABC together. Male managers. Last lo unnaru. ABC together. Approximately what percent less than total number of male officers in same companies together? Male officers. Male officers ah? అంతే కదా? వదిలిపెట్టడం బెస్ట్. నేనైతే ఇది కూడా వదిలేస్తా. మేల్ మేనేజర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ దీస్ 3 ఆర్ వాట్ పర్సెంట్ ఆఫ్ మేల్ ఆఫీసర్స్? 8 parts, 4 times, 5 fours, 20, 5, 9 times, 3 nines, 27, 4, 9 times, 9. What percent of male officers they said? 8, 10 times, 5 times 50, 19, 4 times, 8 fours 32, 13, 7 times, 6 threes, 7 times kada, 6 sevens, 42. Now that's what you need to calculate. Numerator value 47 plus 9. Akka? What? Percent. ముందు నంబర్ రాయని ఉండు ఫస్ట్. మీ ఎదవ కంగారు ఒకటి. 56 and then denominator 124. Percentage right, so into 100. Now ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఏంటి what percent less? How much is difference between 124 and 56? Taba. Subtract 60, add 4. Subtract 60, 64 and then add 4, 68. అడుగుతానని తెలుసు కదా, మరి చేసుకొని ఉండొచ్చు కదా. గ్యాప్ కూడా వచ్చింది. 50% ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్ మాట్లాడరు. అండ్ స్టిల్ యూ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ 6. If 50% is this much, 5% will be 6.2, but you need to add only 6. Answer should be very close to 55%, but less than that. If it is approximate, you can go for 55%. Is it approximate? If it is approximate, you can definitely go for it. 55% answer. Next, ABC started a business by investing 24,000, 30,000, 28,000 respectively. After 4 months, each of them invested 6,000 rupees more. All of them invested for equal period of time. If at the end of 8 months A got 9720 as his share of profit What was the total profit earned by B and C together at the end of 8 months? So business happened for only 8 months. They have started with 24,000, 30,000 and then 28,000. I am taking 3 zeros in confidence. And after 4 months each invested 6,000 more. In the sense, first 4 months they have invested the respective amounts, and after that they have invested 6,000 more. 24,000 plus 6,000, 30, and this will be there for remaining 4. And already he has 30,000 plus 6, 36,000 will be there for again 4 months. 28 plus 6, 34, that will be there for again 4 months. అంటే ప్రతి దానిలో 4 కామన్ తీసి క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేయచ్చుగా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? 24, 30, 54, 66, 62. Don't worry about cancellations here. If at the end of the 8 months A got 9720 as his share, cancel చేద్దామా? క్యాన్సిలేషన్ పెద్దగా కూడా పోవు కదా. వెయిట్, నో ఇష్యూ, కమాన్. 54 parts is equal to 9720, and you asked about B and C together. B and C together 128 parts is equal to how much? Is it 9 multiple? Is it 9 multiple? 9 తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేయండి. 9 how many times? 6 times. 9, 1, 0, 8, 0. 6 parts is 1080. This is equal to how much? ఓకేనా? ఓకే కదా? 6 టేబులా? ఎందుకక్క అవసరంలా, నువ్వు రా ఇక్కడ చూడు. మనకి ఎంత కావాలి? 128. 128. రిమెంబర్, 6 parts is this much. 60 parts 10800. 120 parts 108 2 times 2 1 6. 126 parts 22,680. But still you need to add 2 parts, which is 1/3 of this, 1/3 of this, 1/3 of this. 3 6 0. Total 23,000. ఏదో ఒకటబ్బా, లాస్ట్ 2 digits should be equal to 40. Yeah, only one option. That's final. If you are comfortable with 54 parts and then 128 parts, directly you can do it. I am not comfortable, అందుకని దాన్ని చిన్నది చేస్తున్నా. (52) In a vessel there was X liters of pure milk. 16 liters of pure milk was taken out and from this vessel and replaced with equal amount of water. This action was again repeated, that is 16 liters of new mixture of milk and water was taken out and replaced with equal amount of water. After the second operation, the respective ratio of milk and water in the vessel is 16:9. What is the value of X? It's better you leave this question. ఎందుకంటే ఆ ఎక్స్ తోటి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఇట్ టేక్స్ టైమ్, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ యూ కెన్ గో ఫ్రమ్ ఆన్సర్ టు క్వశ్చన్. ఆన్సర్ టు క్వశ్చన్కి వెళ్ళాలి. వస్తున్నా లేదా ఫైనల్గా 16:9 అనేది 25 parts కాబట్టి 5 multiple. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి, ఒకసారి నువ్వు చెప్పావు ఈ లాజిక్ ఆ రూమ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు. ఎవరు చెప్పురు? So out of x liters, 16 liters were taken out and then 16 liters were added. Still you have x liters. Again from the mixture 16 liters were taken out and then 16 liters were added. Again x liters. No change in the total quantity. Then finally it becomes 25 parts. 25 is 5 multiple. Anshu should be 5 multiple. There is only one option, 80. Or else better to skip this question. Quadratic lo padtadi. Quadratic lo padtadi annappudu time taking. I don't recommend. If total quantity is given, if the initial quantity is given, then do it. If initial quantity is not given and if you are asked to find out this, hold that question. When to choose and when to skip. ఇక్కడైతే బాగానే ఉంది, 25 పార్ట్స్ కాబట్టి 5 మల్టిపుల్ ఈజీగానే వచ్చింది. అలా వస్తే ఓకే, లేదు అని అనుకుంటే టైం టేకింగ్. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ వేయటం నాకు ఇష్టం లేదు. రైట్, బట్ ఎనీవే యూ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ 5 మల్టిపుల్. నెక్స్ట్ 53. Salesman gets a commission of X% on first 4,000 worth of sale and Y% on the remainder. When his sales were 11,000, his total commission was 2,400. When his sales were 16,000, his total commission was 3,600. What is the value of X? Right. In the very first case, he got 11,000 and commission was 2,400. And second time sale was 16,000 and 3,600. Now out of 11,000 and 6,000, what is difference? 5,000. Extra 5,000 added. Extra how much is added here? 1,200. So on 5,000 he got 1,200 rupees as commission. And out of 11,000, first 4,000 will get X% and next 7,000 will get different percentage, Y%. Yes or no? 4,000 plus 7,000, total 11,000. Now you have a combination 4,000 here, 7,000 here. Of these two together you are getting 2,400. On this it is X%, on this is Y%, on this also it is Y%. Let me identify. What about 20% of this? 1,000. You still have 200. 1%? 2%? 4%? So 24% of this number is 1,200. So Y value is 24%. Let me calculate 24% of this. 10%? 20%? 20% is 1,400. 1% is 70. 2% 140. 4% 280. Total it is 1,680. So out of 2,400 you are getting 1,680 from this only. Out of 2,400 you are getting 1,680 from this. So what about remaining number? What about remaining number? 720. So 720 is got from 4,000 and you are asked about X%. Now what about 10%? 400. 20%? 800. Do you have 800 here? No. How much less than 800? 80 less than 800, which is 10% of 800, right? Yes or no? Right. 800 is how much percent? 20. 2% 80. 20% minus 2%? 18%. Answer 18%. Right, next. Six years ago, A's mother's age was 2.2 times of her age at that time. A's age and mother's age. 6 years back. How many times they said? 2.2. If it is 10, it becomes 22x. Otherwise, if it is 5x, it becomes 11x. 6 years back. 4 years hence, after 4 years, this respective ratio between ages were 19:10. Mother's age 19 parts, A's age 10 parts. Right? 6 years back and after 4 years. What is difference? 10 years. And you are asked about present age. Hold it. A has 10 years difference and mother also has 10 years difference. What is difference of number of parts? 5. Here 8. 8. 8. Do you have same number? No. I want to have same number here. So 5 and 11 difference is 6. 10 and 19 difference is 9. We'll go for cross multiplication. 9 times of this 45. 99. 60. అవసరమా? చేసిన తర్వాత ఏమైంది? మల్టిప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి? ఈక్వల్ డిఫరెన్సేగా ఉండేది. డూ యూ నో దట్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? డూ యూ నీడ్ దిస్ నెంబర్? ఏదో ఒకటి వస్తుంది, వచ్చినా కానీ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. దీనికి డైరెక్ట్గా 15 యాడ్ చేసేయచ్చు. 15 యాడ్ చేస్తే 1 1 4 parts. Here you have 15 parts increase and here also you have 15 parts increase, and this is because of 10 years. So 15 parts is equal to amma 10 years. 45 parts is 30 years. You need to calculate 99 parts. Hold it. This is 2/3 of this number. Yes sir. 1/3 of this 33. 2/3 66. Mother's age 66. Or else mother's age is 2.2 times of this number. 2 times of this is 60. 0.2 times of this number is 6. That will be 66. Condition in the first law. Now you are asked about present age ratio. Present age 6 years back 30. Present 36. 6 years back 66. Present 70. Ratio, that's it. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్స్ పార్ట్స్లో ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి అనేది అర్థం అవ్వాలి, అది చేసుకోవాలి. అదొక్కటే టైం టేకింగ్. అది అయిపోయిందంటే ఆన్సర్ అయిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 45. 55. 15 men can finish a piece of work in 8 days. 18 women can finish the same piece of work in 12 days. 16 children can finish it in 20 days. 12 women and 8 children started working together and worked for 10 days. If the remaining work is need to be finished in 2 days, how many men should be added to the existing number of workers? What is exactly existing number of workers here? Men యాడ్ చేయాలి అని అన్నాం. సరే, అది పక్కన పెట్టండి. ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఎవరున్నారు అసలు? ఉమెన్ అండ్ చిల్డ్రన్. హౌ మెనీ ఉమెన్? మాట్లాడరు. 12 ఉమెన్ అండ్ 8 చిల్డ్రన్. సో నౌ 12 ఉమెన్ అండ్ 8 చిల్డ్రన్. సో దీస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు వర్క్ ఫర్ హౌ మెనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేస్? ఈ 2 days కూడా చేస్తారుగా. మాట్లాడరు. ఈ 2 days కూడా చేస్తారు కదా. సో ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వర్కర్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు వర్క్ ఫర్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్? 12 days. Now 2 days you need to add only men. Let's say you need to add x men. X men add చేయాలి. ఓకే. సో అప్పుడు టోటల్ వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వాలి. నౌ లెట్స్ సీ. 12 ఉమెన్ ఉన్నారు, 8 చిల్డ్రన్ ఉన్నారు. ఇక్కడికే వెళ్తాం. 18 women can finish the same piece of work in how many days? 12 days. How many women are here? If 18 women can complete the work in 12 days, 12 women can do it in 18 days. 12 women can do it in 18 days. 1 day work of 12 women is 1 by 18. 1 day work. But how many days they have worked? 12 days. Yes or no? So in that time, work done by 12 women is 12 by 18. Clear this point? Clear this point? How many children are here? Now let me take children. 16 children can finish it in 20 days. How many children are here? 8. 8 children can do it in 40 days. 1 day work of 8 children, 1 by 40. They work for 12 days. Work done by children is 12 by 40. And how many days of work you need to take? 2 days work. Okay. Forget about it. Forget about it. Let's say you have X men, 1 man. 1 day work will be 1 by something. But how many days work you need to take? 2 days. How many men are there? X men. Yes or no? So can I treat it as X men work for 2 days or 2 X men work for 1 day? Or 1 man worked for 2 X days? One and the same. 15 men can complete the work in 8 days. 1 man can complete the work in 15 into 8. How much? 120. 120. So 1 day work is 1 by 120. If they work for only 1 day. But 1 man work for how many days? 2x days. Work done in that case is equal to 2x by 160. Work is completed. This is equal to 1. Hold. Wait. 2 how many times? 60 times. 4 3 times. 10 times. 2 by 3. 6 2 6 3s. Denominator is 60. I want to have 60 here. Let me multiply both numerator and denominator with 20. This is 40 by 60. I want to have 60 here. Multiply numerator and denominator with 6. 60, 18. 60, 40, 58 plus x is equal to 60. X is 2. How many men need to add? 2 men. Understand everyone? Percent of profit earned by 3 companies XYZ over the years. Profit percentages. Right. $56. In the year 2012, companies XYZ invested amounts in the ratio 5:4:7, and if the total amount received by the 3 companies was 192 lakhs, what was the amount earned by company X in that year? X in that year. X in that year. Which year? 2012. 2012 X earned a profit of 32%. Antena? 30? You asked about 32%. Come on. So their investments ratio is given. Invested amount in the ratio 5:4:7. 5 parts, 4 parts, 7 parts. These are cost basis investments. And then profit percentages for XYZ. XYZ 2012. Diamond 2012. ఇదే కదా 32. This is 32%. And then adi this is for company Y, which is 46%. 46%. And then company Z, triangle, 38%. These are profits. And then you have a number in question. The total amount invested by them, 3 companies together, was 192. Total investment is 192. total investment in terms of number of parts is 16 parts. 16 parts is equal to 192, which is 12 times. And you're asked about what was the amount earned by company X. This is what you're asked about. And cost price is 5 parts. అంతే కదా, 5 parts అంటే 5 12s 60. అసలు ఈ రామాయణం కూడా అక్కర్లా. 60లో 32% అడిగారు, అంతే కదా. అమౌంట్ ఎర్న్, ఎర్నింగ్స్ అంటే పైన ఇచ్చారు ఏమన్నా, రైట్, పైన ఇచ్చారు కదా చూడండి. నోట్ 1, అమౌంట్ ఎర్న్డ్ ఈజ్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్. పైన నోట్ ఉంది, బొమ్మ కింద చూసావండి. ప్రాఫిట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అమౌంట్ ఎర్న్డ్ మైనస్ అమౌంట్ ఇన్వెస్టెడ్. సో అమౌంట్ ఎర్న్డ్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్. యూ ఆస్క్డ్ అబౌట్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్, which is if profit is 32%, selling price is 132% of what? 60 or 60% of 132. How will you get 60% of 132? Half plus 10%. Half of this 66, 10% of this 13.2, total 79.2. Fourth option. Okay na? Right, next number 57. Company Y invested an amount 75 lakhs in 2008 and the entire amount earned at the end of 2008 was reinvested in 2009. Okay. What was the amount of profit earned by the company in 2009 as against the amount invested in 2009? Profit enta annaru. Fine. This is for company Y. Company Y square in 2008. This is 44 and here it is 36. Yes or no? 9 multiple. No. Can be your answer. No. 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 Second option, final answer. Second option, final answer. అర్థం కాలే? క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా? చేయకుండా సరే, ఇప్పుడు చేద్దాం చూడండి. 2008లో ఎంత ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశారు? 75. So cost price in 2008, profit and then selling price, and then 2009 for company Y. In 2008 cost price is 75 lakhs something, and then it has 44% profit. Yes or no? So profit will be 44% of this, 44% of 75 or 75% of 44. 75% is 3/4. 3/4 of 44 is 33. So how much you will receive from company Y in 2008? 108. The same is invested in 2009. 108 is reinvested in 2009. And how much percentage of profit you are getting? 36%. So profit percentage is 36% of this. You need to calculate 36%. How will you get 36%? 40% minus 4. How will you get 4? 10% of this. Yes or no? Now let me calculate 10%. 10.8. 20%. 21.6. 21.6. 40%. 43.2. 4% will be 10% of this. 10% of this number is 4.32. Subtract 5, add 0.68. Subtract 5, 38. Point, add 0.68, 88. 38.88. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్. చేయకుండానే మాట్లాడాం. ఎట్లాగో చెప్తా. ఇన్ 2009 what is profit percentage? 36%. Should be a multiple of 36, should be a multiple of 9. And 38.88 is the only 9 multiple that you have in options. There is no other option which is a multiple of 9. So those cannot be your answers. 38.88 should be your only answer. So you need not to waste your time by solving this. అర్థమైందా? Next, the amounts earned by companies X and Y in 2011 were in the ratio 6:7. The amounts earned by Z was more than that by X by 12 lakhs. What was the amount invested by Z, company Z? Amount earned. Amount earnings in the sense we have already discussed. That's the selling price. That is in 2011. X and Z. 2011. X made a profit of 40%. Selling price is 140% of X. And then Z makes 44% profit. Selling price becomes 144% of Z. And which is given as, ratio is given as, I'll write as 6/7. 6:7 or 6/7. Now, the amount earned by company Z was more than company X by 12 lakhs. Okay. Company Z earned 12 lakhs more than that. In terms of number of parts, it is one part, right? Yes or no? So one part is equal to 12 lakhs. 12 ena akkada? 12 ena? 6 parts is 6 12s. 72. 7 parts, 7 12s. 84. So 140% of X is this much. 144% of Z is 84. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Yes or no? What is your question? What was the amount invested by company Z? You asked about 100%. 100% of Z is how much? You don't need this now. 144% of Z is 84. And you asked about 100%. Right? Hold. 72, 12. 1/6. Half 50 plus 50/6. Approximate అన్నారా? ఆరు 7 8 58 58 ఉందా? అంతే. అప్రాక్సిమేట్ టు 58 పాయింట్ సంథింగ్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 58.33. Half of this, to make it 84 unit at 12, which is 1/6 of this. Yes or no? Half plus 1/6. Half of this 50 plus 1/6. 6 8s 48. Still you have 2/6. 0.33. 8.33. 58.33. You have 58. Next, 59. If the investments of companies X and Z In 2011, investments were in the ratio 3:4. What is the respective ratio between amounts earned by the two companies in the same years? Amount earned ratio. Amount earned in the sense selling price ratio. Now what is cost price ratio? 3:4. So which is 100% of X by 100% of Z is equal to 3/4. X is to Z is equal to 3:4. Cost prices. Now selling prices ratio. That's in 2011. 2011 X made a profit of 40%. Selling price is 140% of X, and then company Z is 144%, 144% of Z, and this is what you are asked about. Yes or no? Can we replace X by Z with 3/4? Percentage cancel. This is 70 times and this is 72 times. 35, 36. How many times? 12 times. 35 by 48. Third option. $60.63. The first one is distribution of total number of gold coins, 25 grams and then 50 grams sold by 7 stores. Total it is 42,000. So total is 42,000, 7 stores together, and then 50 grams and then 25 grams ratio is given. Fine. 60th. Total number of gold coins, 25 grams and 50 grams sold by stores B and G together is what percent of the 25 grams coins sold by store F? B and G together. And it is about total number of coins. B and G. B and G. Total what percent is it? 19%. Need to calculate it as a percentage with respect to store F, 25 grams. Store F, we have 20%. And how many parts we have? 7 parts. And out of this 25 grams coins are 4 parts. If 7 parts is equal to 20%, then what about 1 part? 20/7. And 25 grams are how many parts? 4 parts. So that will be 4 into 20/7 only, right? Yes or no? Take 7 to numerator. 19 into 7. Now let me calculate percentage. 19 7 times. 27 times minus 1 time. 140 minus 7. 133. And this is 80. You're asked about percentage, right? Per cent. Per cent. For 80, it is 133. Per 100, it is how much? You need to add 1/4 to make it 100. Here also let me add 1/4. 33 point something. Answer is 166 point something. How many options are there? Only one. That's final. Otherwise you need to calculate this. From the denominator again it takes time. మామూలుగా అయితే ఎట్లా చేస్తాం రెగ్యులర్ వే? డినామినేటర్, ఫ్రమ్ ద బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్ ఓన్లీ వీ యూస్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్. బట్ అది బాగుంది ఇక్కడ, అంటే నంబర్ బాగుంది 80, అందుకని అట్లా వెళ్ళా. లేదంటే యూజువల్ స్టైల్లో అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు. 100% ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్ ఈజ్ 80. దిస్ ఈజ్ 100%. 50% ఈజ్ హాఫ్, 40. స్టిల్ యూ నీట్ టు యాడ్ 13. 10% ఈజ్ 8. 15% ఈజ్ 12. Still you need to add something. You need to add 1 again. So far it is 165%. Answer is very close to this, but more than this. You have only one option. అదర్వైజ్ పర్ 80 దట్ ఈస్ 133, పర్ 100 హౌ మచ్? 1/4 యాడ్ చేయండి, 166కి దగ్గరలో ఉంటుంది. ఒకటే ఉంది, అదే ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ 61. What is the average number of 50-gram coins sold by A, C, E, G together? A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G. 50 grams kada? Right. Total number is 42,000. Yes or no? Right. Better వదిలేయటం కష్టం. G ఎంత ఉంది? 11. ఇది ఒకటే దరిద్రంగా ఉంది. Fine, but still let's do it. Total how many parts we have? 4 parts is equal to 12%. 4 3 times, right? 50-gram coins are 1 part. 1 3 is 3%. 3% of this 123 times. 423 times 1260. This is done. ఇది తేడాగా ఉంది, దీని సంగతి తర్వాత చెప్తాను, దీని అట్లా పక్కన పెట్టండి. E, how many parts we have? 5 parts. 5 3 is 15. 1 part is 3. 50-gram coins are 9%. 9%. Right. How will you get 9%? 10% minus 1%. ఆ తర్వాత ఇద్దాం, దాన్ని అట్లనే ఉంచండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఓవర్. G, 11%. How many parts you have? 11 parts. 1 part is 1%. 6 parts. 6 parts. Yes or no? ఇందాక ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడో క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం, ఏంటది? 3 parts కదా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. ఇది ఫర్ ఏకి 3 parts కదా, 3% కదా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. 3%. ఇప్పుడు ఎంత? 6%. అంటే డబల్ అనేగా. 1260కి డబల్ 2520. ఇది కూడా అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది 1% ఎంత? 420. 19% అంటే 19 into 420. ఎస్ సార్ నో? ఇది ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్? 5 parts. ఇందులో మీకు ఎన్ని కావాలి? 2 parts అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 5. దట్ ఈస్ 2/5 of this number. Let me subtract first 420 from this. 420 దీనిలోంచి తీసేస్తా. తీసేయటమే కదా కావాలి. ఎంత? 2100. 19 2 times 30. 10/5 into 2. Hold it. 40 minus 2, 40 plus 2, 40 square minus 2 square. 1600 minus 4. 1596. 2 times. 1596 into 2. 1600 2 times. 3200 minus 8. 3200 minus 8. 319. యావరేజ్ అడిగారు అంతే కదా. వేర్ ఈజ్ దిస్ ఫెలో? 61 32 కెన్ బి యువర్ ఆన్సర్? నో నో నో. అబ్బా, either first option or fifth option. Fourth option కాదు, first option or fifth option. I am going for last digit verification. If average ends with 8, sum ends with 2. This is the only number which ends with 2. Either first or fifth. తప్పదు, మొత్తం యాడ్ చేయటమే. ఇంకా 3 6 10,000. 10,000. 6 7 5 2 by 4 2 2 27 అంటే 6. ఇది కూడా సరిపోయింది. హోల్డ్ ఇన్ 24 35 8 times ఒకటే ఉంది. లాస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ 2688. ఓకే. 4 కన్వర్షన్లు, రేషియో, యాడ్ చేయాలి, యావరేజ్ చేయాలి, ఇన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్లు అంటే టైం పట్టుద్ది. మరి నా ఇంక అట్టా చూస్తూ ఉన్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ 63, 62. What is the difference between total number of 25 gram coins sold by store B, C, D together and the total number of 50 grams coins sold by same stores together? Ask about difference. B, C, D. Right. Difference ఏ కదా? B, C, D. బాబు ఇంకో 4 పెన్నులు పెడితే ఏం పోద్దా? రైట్. B, C, D. For these two, 25 grams coins are more than 50 grams. And here, 50 gram coins are more than 25 grams. Right? Now, what is difference here? 6 parts. How many parts you have? Total 16 parts. 16 parts is 8%, half. Difference is 6 parts, half, 3%. 3%. 1% of this is 420. 3% is 1260. Positive number. And C we have, ఇందాక ఆల్రెడీ చేసాం కదా, ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్లో గుర్తుందా? 3 1 9 2 9 2 కాదే, 9 6 3 1. Wait a minute. Hold in. 40 square minus 2 square I said. 1600 minus 4. 1596. అదే కదా, 1596 కదా. ఎక్కడ దొరికారబ్బా నాక. 1 part అంటే ఎంత? 420. 19% అన్నాం కాబట్టి 19 into 420. ఇవి ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్? 5 parts. మనకు కావాల్సింది డిఫరెన్స్ 1 part. అంటే 1/5 అనేగా, అదే కదా కావాలి. క్యాన్ వి రైట్ దిస్ యాజ్ ఇంటూ 10? 5 how many times? 2 times. 38 into 42. 40 minus 2, 40 plus 2. 40 square minus 2 square. 1600 minus 4. 1596. So for these two, 25 grams coins are more than 50 grams. But now 25 grams coins are less than this. Total how many parts? Right. Total 10 parts. That is equal to 15 into 1.5, right? 10 parts into 1.5. How much is difference? 4 parts. 4 into 1.5. 6%. So here 25 grams coins are less than that. So you need to subtract. Right? Hold in. In terms of percentage, what percent is it? 6%. What is this? 3%, right? If 3% is this much, 6% will be 2 times of this. Yes or no? 1 time is already subtracted. From this, let me subtract 1 time. Difference is 336. Next, a trader marks his goods such that he can make 24.8% profit after giving 22% discount. However, a customer availed 28% discount instead of 22%. Since the goods was delivered to X place, the trader charged 5% of the discounted price. Okay. What is the percentage of profit to the trader in the whole deal if he had to spend nothing on delivery? Fine. This is nowhere related to this particular data. Data use చేశారు ఎవరన్నా? ఆ గనులు కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. A trader marks his goods such that he can make 24.8% profit after giving a discount of 22%. If trader allows 22% discount, at what percent he will sell the goods? 78%. So he will sell at 78% of market price. But still he gains 24.8% profit. So selling price will be 124.8%. Of what? Cost price. Now, market price will be equal to 100% of market price. This is equal to how much? I want to calculate this. 78 becomes 124.8. Increased by how much? Increased by how much? 22 and then 24.8. Difference is 46.8. 46.8. What about 10% of this? 7.8. 7.86 times is this number, right? 7642. 0.86 times 4.8. That is 46.8. So 10% into 6 will be 60%. 60% of this number is 46.8. 60% of this number is 160% of cost price. Yes or no? If there is no discount given on the market price, he will sell article at 160% of cost price. Thereby he can gain 60%. But look at the question. How much percentage of discount is allowed? Amma? 28%. Look at your question. బండిలో అయిపోయింది, డీజిల్ అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా సెకండ్ లైన్ మిడ్లో ఉంది చూడండి. A customer avail 28% discount instead of 22%. So what percent of discount is allowed? 28% of this number only, right? దీని మీద ఇచ్చిన పర్సంటేజే కదా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసేది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? 10%, 20%, 30%. But how much percentage of discount is allowed here? 28. This is 30. Need to subtract 2%. 1% is 1.6. 2%, 3.2. So you need to subtract 3.2 from 48. That will be 44.8. So 44.8 is subtracted. Discount. How much is this? 115.2% of cost price. But still look at the question. As the good was to deliver at X's place, a trader charged 5% on what price? Discounted price. This is what discounted price, right? On this he is charging 5%. 10% of this 11.52. 5% will be half of that. Yes or no? 11.52 will half. 5.76. So he is selling it at 120.96% of cost price. So if he sells at 120.96%, what percent of profit he will get? 20.96. Done? Everybody? Sure? 64 to 65. Marks obtained by Saroj and Viraj in 5 subjects out of 100. 64. The marks obtained by Saroj in physics and chemistry together. Are by what percent more than the marks obtained by Viraj in these 2 subjects together? Saroj in physics and chemistry. What percent more than marks scored by Viraj in these two subjects? So as these are out of 100 marks only, that will be same as percentage. Yes or no? Right. Saroj got how many marks? 155. And Viraj got 125. What is your question? The marks obtained by Saroj in physics and chemistry together are by what percent more than marks obtained by Viraj? Right. So 155 is how much more than 125? 30 more. That of 125. Percentage, right? So into 100. What about 1/3? What about 10%? 12.5. 20%? 25. So 20% is equal to 25. To make it 30, you need to add 5, which is 1/5 of this. 1/5 of this is 4. So total answer is 24%. Clear? 24% answer. Next, what is the overall percentage of marks obtained by Viraj in all the given subjects? Marks obtained by overall percentage, right? Overall percentage, na? Yes or no? As the total number of marks for every subject is 100, directly you can go for average. Average. 70, 70, 70, 210, 290, 345, 350 out of 5. 350 out of 5 subjects, 70%. 70% average. Clear?